statement of the passage implies that. So let's look at the last statement. So what does the last statement of the passage say? The arrow points only in the application that a living being makes of it. So remember this when we are doing the question. The arrow points only in the application that a living being makes of it. So we have to interpret the meaning of this phrase in context to the passage. So the first option says the arrow represents what is considered as false. No. What was the last statement saying? It is in that use the meaning of my thoughts or mental picture lies. The arrow points only in the application that a living being makes of it. So, the last statement is not talking about the arrow representing a false statement. The arrow does not represent a false statement. It represents a true statement. So, this is incorrect. Let's look at option number 2. Application mitigates the validity of interpretation. Mitigates or reduces the validity of interpretation. It is contrary. Therefore, it is incorrect. Third option says living beings cannot do without application. It is too general a statement. Fourth option says application is the cause of interpretation. Application is the cause. Mark this word, cause. Don't you think that interpretation can happen without application? The passage nowhere says that application is the cause of interpretation. Therefore, it is also incorrect. It's not the cause. Fifth option says interpretation cannot be validated without seeing the application. Now, let's for a moment go back to the last line. The arrow points only in the application that a living being makes of it. So here it talks about pointing in the direction, the application of the interpretation. So it says interpretation cannot be validated without seeing the application, which is the right answer choice.